Name 5 different addressing modes. So addressing mode in 8085 and various other processor. Every instruction, every you can say program line of a you can call it as an instruction, has to operate on a data. That is, if you do move MVI, LXI or any DAD, it is working on certain data. There has to be some moving of what? Data. So every instruction is operating on certain data. So the method or the technique or the way of specifying the data to be operated by the instruction is called addressing. That is, the instruction can say, tell, oh, this is the data. In the instruction itself, the data is there. But if the instruction can say, oh, this is the address of the data, or it can say the address of the data. That is, you can say, okay, you're saying something to your friend. You have to come to that corner. This is, you can say, there is my house. Or you can say, come to the corner, ask the fellow there, and he'll tell you my address. So there can be different kind of way the data is being specified. Address of the data. Immediate addressing, direct addressing, registered indirect addressing, implied addressing. These are different type of addressing. So these 5 you have to remember, because this is only the way of indicating or specifying the address of the data, because it's all about data in any kind of instruction. Define indirect addressing mode and give an example, and also explain immediate addressing mode. We'll talk about both of these. Everything is happening on data. Every instruction is working on certain data. So when it is talking about data, instruction can tell you directly the data. It can tell you the memory address of the data. It can tell you the memory address which contains the memory address of data. So you can tell your friend, okay, come to that shop. Behind that, I have my house. Or you can say, come to that shop, ask the fellow, he'll tell you where to go. So you are actually telling the different kind of data positions. So that is called addressing. So we have 5 different kinds of addressing mode. So in this indirect addressing mode, the instruction specifies the name of the register in which the address of the data is available. The instruction will tell you, indicate you the name of the register. That register in which the address of the data is available. Did you get it? Okay, I'll show you with a diagram here. Okay, so that diagram will tell you what is, because it is not direct, it is indirect. So you're not telling the direct address of the data. You're telling that this will have the address of that data. Okay, let me tell you again, the instruction here, we have an opcode. And here we have a register. This register will have an address, and that address will have the address of the data. Okay. In immediate addressing mode, data will immediately follow the opcode, operation code in program memory. So this is your instruction. This is your opcode. There are 2 parts actually of any instruction. So the operand comes from next byte in a program memory. So let me tell you again, this is immediate addressing mode. It tells you, the name itself tells you, the data will immediately follow the operation code in the program memory. In all these expression, in all these instructions, you see that these are based on immediate addressing mode.